Yo, yo.
What do you call it? Way too early, man. I just call that regular. No, but she couldn't keep going. That was the problem. Like, oh, she was done. She's like, "Can I get a burger?" Yeah, no. She's like, "So I'm done now." I'm like, "Wait, what? What about me?"
So I'm looking around here now. Market just open here. Looking at this level here. Did a nice little hold there. Just trying to see if we're gonna hold this area up. Pick this area out today for support and resistance. This might be an area to look at. If we hold above, we could be going up. Maybe try to fill gap from yesterday, from last night, pretty much. Or we can fall down and kind of show some some rejection.
And I'm big into wick.
So
Like I said, I love getting my wick filled. Right here, you can feel some wick. So something like this, where there's wicks on both sides, and it will fill one side on the next candle. Yeah. I'd look for that next side to get filled on the following candles.
So we just waiting and watching right now. 15-minute candle, just to kind of see what type of direction we're gonna get. See, this is the what is it called? The doggone gap I was talking about. So we could go back up and get that, fill that gap. We did that yesterday, where we pretty much sold off at night and filled the gap. So we did that yesterday. Do we do it today? Again today here. So that's the question at hand. I'll be back.
I rent out a condo. Condo. If the guy came to me at the end of the week and said, like, "Listen, man, I can't pay. Like, here's a screenshot of this 12 RR trade off. How fucking, I'm saying, yeah, bro, get that negative RR in gear and fucking pay me, bro." I was like, "Look, fuck, look at this. Look, how many likes can I get?" Entry, but I didn't think wrong. All right, we're pushing back up there to 580s right now. Right at those EMAs. A 9 EMA break out from here back up 600s. Kind of watching the ES just push back up, got right to the peak. Same thing with the NASDAQ. NASDAQ still below the VWAP. NASDAQ VWAP is 615. I think you could be aggressive here, go long or push the VWAP. I got work doing it yesterday, and I don't think it would. If I got a Christmas parade later, I don't want to be bad. If I had a red day, it's gonna work. Which is also a great thing about props, because if you make some money in the account, you can say, "All right, I'm leaving this account. I just made $600 here today. Now I'm gonna maybe just buy an eval and see if I can get another funded account." But I'm protecting my actual cash. So yeah, at the end of the day, if my P&L on my TradeAbase says one account's up 600, the other one's down 2,000, I'm still up on the day. That 2,000 is not real money. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So yeah, the thing did not buy right here. Let's see, we pull back again. Now it's gonna, this is either gonna be the big break again, right? We just had that little wick down. They start to push it. This is where they need to start pushing back through there. If not, on the 5-minute, that 930 candle's got a nice wick down. Yeah. And this next candle I've just formed is still kind of respecting my resistance. So it hasn't really closed above me. So I'm definitely, high in both up. But I need to just wait for the close. I never do much. No, pretty much all my orders are stop. So it's either like I let price come to me. Yeah. I mean, that's also like a 13, 14 trades throughout the day just was able to get.
Yeah, I remember. I remember you posting that. Like, I canceled 9 of the trades that I was wrong.
Yeah. The price doesn't come. So
Yeah.
good thing I didn't do a market. Sell stop, buy stop. I buy high, I sell high. I sell low, and I cover low. I'm not a genius. I know.
Yeah. There's that push, the breakout here.
Yo. Back, yeah. All right, let's see what's going on here. What's going on here? Like I said, we're looking like getting this resistance area here.
Take 30 trades a day. One or two trades a day make 1,300.
Oh, damn.
I mean, like, I don't know where everyone else is from, but me, I make an extra 5, 6.
It is freaking cold.
I've been posting since 2022. Negative RR. 2022. Most people are still swimming in your dead ball sack. Bro. And here I am posting negative RR, getting payout, steadily. Damn it. These guys are stressing me out. Tenderism.
I'm not gonna lie. If you
Like we built the balls.
the balls have got to fill.
Might be blown back down.
This other area here, 645 area. Probably try to stay under this area if we're going to keep that trend going. That's at 540 or 640. My bad. So I don't know.
And then that next candle kind of a little wick down. Well, I'll wait for it to go down, then I'll buy stop on the flip. So, because when you're gonna buy a limit or sell it, you're pretty much saying, you know, I mean, you're pretty much saying this is as low as to go, and that's some shit. So I'd rather watch it go that low. And dude, I'm in second place. As soon as I finish that race and get paid,
I was mentally, you're thinking about yeah. Or you're probably gonna pay
one day from the back. Get a little slow. I gotta pay out 184. I know somebody probably got 4 grand, 5 grand here and now. But oh, it's big shit. So it's like it still is big shit, but
yeah. The big shit. Waiting. Don't
we got some more gifts to give for you. You know, got some Christmas gifts for you too. So we got stuff to do. Might be doing put a little buy stop above around 610. To this is my Tradeify daily payout, right? So really, what I'm going to
Wow.
do here is, I'm ready. So that's why I do buy stop. You see why I do buy stop.
Wow.
And now I'm going to hit.
Where the hell did that come from? Where did that come from? Like we was almost up there, looking like we was kind of going to get a nice setup, and then we just plummet there at the VWAP. I don't know if that's good or bad. If we're trying to get sales here. Oh, this boy is a wild one.
I think they just want it all for themselves.
They don't hold that.
Hmm.
There's no news. Oh, what?
You know what they do next time they have a government national. We need to vote that no fucking politician is allowed to speak between 9:30 and 11.
Do it on the week.
Do it on for free.
Come on. He's just on. Waiting on this 40 the 15-minute candle close here, see if we can get a nice setup. But I mean, that was just a fucking drop. No way you was catching that. There's no way.
Aaron, you got your Warbucks accounts all loaded up?
I mean, there's no way in hell. There is literally no chance that ain't happening. The other day there was Trump tweeted something about like no way, no way to
You say that. God, if you want something, should we analyze? Let me get ICC to analyze.
give us a breakdown on this setup here.
Well, you see what's happening here?
Like, this is fucking ugly.
When I programmed the algo, I remember when this happened. What happened here is the data lows of 1943 have to get pulled down before we can take the highs of the unicorn. Understand? I'm sick of this. I mean, the market makers are after me. They're all after me. I can't get away from them. What I'm doing right now is I'm programming next year's market. So you'll see, guys. It's gonna push. It's gonna push. You should have seen how hard it was for me to blow my account in 30 seconds. You should have seen. I had to go over leverage. It's like the algo was within me.
watching. Okay. Reason I'm the boss is because I have a camera crew and we go to restaurants and I give them money. Okay? So if you want to join team bullshit, join me because there's no other trainer. I'm so out of breath because in Colorado, my head is so big, my neck's so long, I'm part brontosaurus. I'm a dinosaur. And here I am. That's why I can't put the line up. I can't let him down.
Let's see, what guests do we have?
Hey guys, listen, guys, I don't care. Okay, I make $200 a week from a Discord. I don't care. Sir, what's smaller than a mic? I'm trying to trade. Do you have anything smaller than a mic? A paper micro? What's a minuscule paper micro that I could trade and then post my IFVGI junior vagina? You know, like what can I do, man? I mean, I really don't think. I make so much from my Discord. I don't need it. If you don't see an IFVG, you think that that's the paper shred.
Wow.
You're a man of many talents.
Wow.
You got wait, no, hold on. You got an on. Oh no.
Okay.
That one.
This one?
That one for no. That one. Oh, that one picture. All right, here we go. Look, excuse me. Let me just finish reading this real quick. Give me a minute before I finish this. So I trade you for orbit because I have an orbit. Like when I walk, food is up in a burger. You know, like I have an orbit around me, so that's what I trade the orb. And when I'm not trading the orb, I like to just comment on people's trading because that makes me look like I'm a trader. Anyway, I'm gonna be doing a big show. If you could bring out some burgers, some wings for me when you come see me, I'll autograph something for you. And remember, guys.
So we stayed below. Really just didn't get no setup. That was not no setup. It was shitty. And all these wicks at the bottom of these candles, just that was shitty. That was terrible, actually.
I channel them within
934. And then we just zoom down.
Downside there, so I mean, a little bit of pushback up into the
That was just, I don't know, just them candles right there. Well, how we got this wick at the bottom. I don't know. I don't like how we just gave that really right back in like 2 candles. So I wouldn't have caught it anyway, to be honest, because the setup was really just not in my liking, to be honest. Wouldn't have been confident holding it. I wouldn't even know where the shit was going.
This candle could pull up a little bit more and then close.
But we got hella time though. That was the first 15-minute candle, really, because this one was indecision, so really can't do shit with that. And that's really kind of what messed me up on getting an entry on this one because this was indecision. So this still means we can go either way. So now we just gotta wait and watch, and wait for a setup for real. That's all it is. But that was
Come on.
That is the move. So now really got kind of two setups here, which since we didn't really break out far, can't really do support and resistance. You would kind of want to see. I mean, you can still can work, but you would want a farther drop so you can get a little bit more of a move here for that support and resistance area right there. So since we didn't really make a move down, we could just be doing like another supply and demand type area. But like I said, I mean, we just keep wicking. I don't understand. I don't know. Definitely holding that level here.
Maybe we need
Definitely holding that level up here. 530. That's this, right? Yeah. So I wouldn't be surprised if we was just going to go fill gap, to be honest.
After dipping down there to the 500s, the 5-minute candle just retraced that whole fucking candle.
Yep, engulfed there.
Yeah, the VWAP all the way up there, 25,596 is. Back up here.
to get a closure below 555.
Okay, we're looking for a long setup here. We held this area here on the 1 hour. Big resistance area there. So I believe that we could be going up here. Let's check. Ooh. This candle ends in 30 seconds, but it's a nice one. We could still go for sure.
Oh, fuck. Market. Fuck.
No way, right?
Break through the 570 here. The VWAP up there, 590s. We're back inside the 15-minute range again.
Well, we gotta, yeah, you're right about that. Now I'm thinking about it.
15-minute candle, big wick to the downside, big wick right back up. You got 4 minutes left on that candle, so it's fucking chocolate here.
Nutty.
Nutty bar.
I don't know, bro. I don't know. It's tricky because I want to get long, but it's just early to get long. Like we got to get above the VWAP. Like I just don't want to trade against this bearish momentum here. So that's my whole thing. Like we just, I like the hold on the hourly, but we're just still bearish overall. Like on my 1 minute and the 5 minute, still showing bearish momentum. Which pretty much means we can pretty much flip at any moment here once we find where we want to go, you know. I think I'm going to take. I think I'm going to take that sell there. I want to take that sell there. Damn, I wanted to take that sell there. See how we hold here. Mm. It's tough because, like I said, we're still bearish momentum, you know.
Order filled.
Okay, I took that there. Kind of like how we held that 65 area right there. Strong area here. Strong area here. Don't want no wig.
Wait on this candle closure and see if gets something.
Jesus Christ. They like this level, yeah.
Pivot point. We got yesterday's low down there as well on this stuff. Yesterday low down there 460.
What's it all mean?
No way we don't break right here, right? It's funny like this. Thank you.
Order filled.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for not doing no dumb shit right there at the end there. I appreciate that. Okay, one down. So that was, like I said, either we're gonna continue to flow here to kind of like get away from this area.
Can you take lower?
Yeah, good trade, good trade. I think we was very, very patient with that one. What was our entry? Entry was 551. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. If you look over here at my 1 minute chart, the 551. 551 at 10:04. So it was this candle. No, it was this candle. Hold on, what the fuck? Oh no, that's when I got out. 9:59. This one, okay. 9:59 at 5:51. So pretty much the bottom of this damn candle I used. What's this bottom? 48. Pretty much got 51 right there. Stop top of this high. Targeting the lows, man. Nice trade. Nice trade, nice trade, nice trade. So we got through this level right here on the hourly. This is what I was looking for. If we was going to sell down, we definitely had to get through this zone right here. That's what we just did here. So caught that sell off right there. And now we definitely could be going to these lows if we try to get a nice setup here. Yeah, this is probably the next resistance area right here. Watch this area here. If we get back up here, probably want to watch this area. Oh. Okay. We might not be using this one now. Honestly, I don't even want to use this one. If we was to use one, it would probably be this. Right. Stay above this zone. We already hitting these lows over here. And we really got these two lows left. About, what is that? 70 points away now. That's a beaut. That's a beaut. Do we just go straight there? Do we just go straight there? Jeez. Jeez.
Like, imagine that's what you're doing. You got, and it's one thing if you think you see a long, so you're big, but then say it. It's like, bro.
I'm not too mad, to be honest. Because this shit could have did anything after I got out. I'm just looking for the next one. It's just that move isn't done yet. That's what it is. It's all good. Damn. Never. Never would that shit have worked like that. Never would that shit have worked like that. Like no greens on the 1 minute? Shit. You're shitting. You're shitting. Yeah, that shit probably gone now. Because now we're at this area here where if we bounce and wick here, that's not really a good, that's not really good. I don't want to, we keep wicking in this zone if you can't see this area here. Like we've been wicking this for a long time. So us getting down here and then just wicking right there isn't really the play. That's why I really wanted like another setup because we're going to need a little bit more liquidity to get through all this shit right here. There's no way we was taking this bitch from here down here. Like that's a whole lot. And breaking through this, like no, it's like a fucking trillion orders down here. Like I'm saying, that could be very well could be the low. You know what I'm saying? Especially the way that we just expanded down there. Like how we just dropped there. I mean, it could be another move. I mean, we're gonna play the next move until it's not there no more. So we're gonna play the next drop here. We're gonna play the next drop. We just gotta see if it's gonna set up or if this is gonna be the low. But we can't trade it as if it's the low. That's my whole thing. We can't trade it as it's the low. We just have to be knowledgeable that this might be the low. But we're still trading like we're trading sales here. We're just looking for a setup, which is like I said, I like this area right here. This is a good area. 550. That's just like 100 points. It's just I mean not 550, 500. 500, 2500. So That's about 50 points up, and I don't know if we get a retracement up like that or like a bear flag up there, to be honest. We could reject here too, but I just think this is just a premature rejection right here at this spot. Like to try to reject here and then go down and break this low, I'm not too sure about that. Not too sure about that. Um, so yeah, I like that one the most there. But it could very well be here too, because if you look back, you got this. Oh shit, my bad. Boom, boom.
Check out over there by the 25,500.
So if we can make this area kind of like resistance, we could. But I mean, I just don't like that. That's not really the setup I really like for real. I'm watching it though, but I don't think it's gonna play out.
Go to the Trade Page on YouTube and watch the how to use Trade. Oh, I need to join.
It's showing some rejection though. I'm not gonna lie. Nah, I'm good, Chad, on that. I'm good on that, Chad.
That's the beauty of the internet. It brings people together. It brings them all together.
Previous day low is 25,390 down there. Can we get there next?
Trying to get the payout today on this trade. I'm gonna have to just take some trades. Trying to make
So we're looking for this next setup here. Um, it could take a while. Hold on, smart test. Yo, what's up, brother? Yeah, I was trying to let you know that they sent your little the company card we got. Yeah, I put it in your desk. I put it in your bottom desk. I think I got an Amazon gift card, so you should. Yeah. Yeah, we should. Thursday, a cup. Nah, Wednesday, a couple people. Not me though. I was straight, but yeah, it was. I was missing some stuff, but I think Ocala stuff was late, and yeah. They was up pretty late. That wasn't me though. I was gone. I was gone, brother. But yeah, that's joint in your bottom desk. So if you just want, I don't know if you're gonna slide through it or whatever, but it's where that Oh, okay. For sure, for sure. Well, it's there for you, boss. It's there. All right then. Yes, sir. I know. So, yo, actually look like that low key played out. Yeah, we get a drop here.
So like, but you know, I do my trades all 5 minute closures and stops or some stops. So you know, like so far today, I haven't seen a set of take it. So I might be trading all day, but I'm not really trading. And once I secure some profits, I'll look to account. I'm like a little squirrel with milk, you know, I'll grab that little nut, run up to my tree and hide it. And then I go look for some more nuts. You know what I mean?
All I heard was you're just trying to nut.
I'm just trying to nut. Well,
I don't know why. That's why.
did say it. So,
This double bottom there, I mean, that's not really the setup you want. I mean, I guess it really doesn't matter right now because we have to set up another move. So we do want something to start going up here and at least get up to, I guess, what is that, 25,500 area? That'll probably be the first kind of thing right there.
really, it's like my setup doesn't come after that 5 minute. Right now,
So
they'll sell me a lot of things that happen. For me, it's not for me anyway. What's the cheapest way? You got any scratch off already?
Could this be the bottom?
we just really can't get no push up. Making it higher, making lower highs. Holding the EMA.
He do not feel good.
Who? MJ?
He was just sitting up there.
Yeah, that's how my Lele was.
Then like his eyes is like crying. It's just like water.
Need some damn
I just gave him some of that Tylenol medicine and I just changed his fever patch. Which is so crazy.
Don't have my baby on too much shit, no. What the hell is a fever pack? What's in that?
Can I explain that for you? Okay. So, picture the 15-minute flip, right? Now, change the time frame to the 5 minute.
This is the first time I put it on his forehead.
More catch up, please.
Yesterday, last night I put it on his back. Even like this done got back cool. But when I took this off of him,
Shit was hot.
this shit was hot. And then one from last night that he slept in, that shit was dry. But they definitely do help. You see how even just that coolness, like.
Yeah. Yeah, I felt it. I felt it, babe. I felt it.
I felt it. And then,
Like,
look, you be alright.
felt it when you put it on my hand.
something which I think, you hate golf. I think this is something that might
Who do you like more, me or your dad?
I got you that bubble because I used yours in the back.
Okay. If I go to India and your dad goes to Paris, where would you go? Paris. That means you like your dad more. No, because I've never been to Paris, okay? Okay. What if I go to Paris and your dad goes to India? Where would you go? India. Why? Because I already went to Paris. Who do you like more, me or your dad?
It does not cost.
Dang. So that area did work. This little area. Turn this area right here to resistance here. Yep. It'd be like that. Damn. I mean, shit, just fucking fell.
You know what I'm saying? Yes, someone wrote in the chat.
Girl, you're not sad. You just need a cute lingerie set. You just need a cute lingerie set because this lingerie set got me ready to be productive. It got me ready to have a great day. Like I feel.
And let a job come to me. And let a job come to me and offer me $30 million for 5 years. That's $6.1 million a year for 5 years to do something that I love. And one of the stipulations to immediate termination is dating a coca. Let's go. Unless somebody can walk up to somebody. Y'all gotta be like that, you know? I might not be perfect. And let a job come to me and offer $30 million. Got another bill there. That's $6.1 million a year for 5 years to do something that I love. And one of the stipulations to immediate termination is dating a coca. 365 days a year. We don't care about bank holidays. We don't care about nothing anymore. Like Chris Farley, trade. Wake up 3 a.m. take a poop, trade. And as far as you can avoid it, like I'm gonna start like I'm semi-full. Are you full? Oh, right. Snack is full. There's nothing wrong with me, bro. It's fucking day. What's up with the fucking day? You got an afro? Mullet? What the fuck is under there? What's under that fucking hat? I wanna know what's under that hat. Is your hair dyed? Is it blonde? Are you blonde? Is it red? Are you a bird net?
The nigga said, "Oh, you're a bird net."
Like I'm semi-bold. Are you bold? Oh, ride bold. Snack is bold. There's nothing wrong with being bold. Take off the fucking hat. What's under the fucking hat? What's under that fucking hat? I wanna know what's under that. Is your hair dyed? Is it blonde? Is it red?
You shit's still gone, yep. It's still gone, yep.
Give up. I mean, a crack that wakes up in the morning, like they don't give up. They're not like they're gonna still go get that crack. They're gonna find a way to get that money.
Yo. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. 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 We might be gone now, chap. We might be gone now. Is this the right shoulder that people was talking about? Oh shit, this one's off the damn chart over here on this side. Bring it back. Bring me back. Bring me back. So, excuse me. Yeah. Shit, we might just be done, chat. What's up? What you want? You want? That's the mover. I do like this re-entry, but I wouldn't have held it for 100 points. I mean, I maybe catch 40. I mean, that's a nice move. 45. Even if you do 45 to the low right here, that's like 390. So that's a nice one. But that's all I would have got though. About 60, 70. So it still would have been good though.
Well, I was talking to some, she had to end up taking Legacy to the hospital, and she had an ear infection in both her ears.
Damn.
Money will be live later on. Patrick, are you shorting this? No, I wouldn't short now. I wouldn't short by 20. Yeah, I got stopped out. Maybe a little bit drops the ball now.
As soon as I just walked out there to get the cover, MJ, I had gave him a lollipop, so I took his cup and I put it on the counter. Like, I do not put on. As soon as I came out and walked by, he gonna point to his cup on the counter.
Right. I get my shit back.
Right. But he still don't feel good, so he didn't even say nothing though. hate that he's sick.
Yeah, it sucks.
My favorite is no way. No way we're gonna. No way the market's gonna go lower. It's fun. I'm chill. It's not a long either.
Trust me, he look over the fuck it. Trust me.
What?
I uploaded this saying I hope he feel better. On my close friends though, not to the public. She was like, "Girl, he look like he over the fuck shit."
Right, buddy. Really late. Like, got his ass sick, but damn, they got Lele sick.
Everything that I've always. And you smoke.
But since so much
Ouch.
talk about, honestly, it ain't over. I mean, this is still the daily, the weekly. It's got plenty of time for shit stuff. Right now, remember, like these candles, just because we're sitting down here at this low, don't mean that we can't hit all the way back up there above 25,600 by the end of the day. We got a pivot point on the daily chart of that 25,217 here. So.
Like he wanna roll his eyes.
That's not okay. No, that was that's not.
All these barbecues.
That shit is eyes, right?
Like a little sharp nose.
Bear flag. The pivot point indicator I use is this pivot point standard. Nothing fancy. Bearish. Short. Like a nice stop right there. Yeah, I'll prep it. Steven, yeah, we got the boat parade at Pompano is tonight. I get stuff. Stopped out there, just just did not want to continue. So kind of what I was worried about. I need to get some more push back up before going lower. 5-minute candle.
Mm-hmm.
Just try to pop it back up now. Yeah. That last candle was very bullish. It should try to pop back up through this 385. Unless they got that little wick there. Full just like engulfing candle. Pivot point up there, 440s on the small.
Oh my gosh. Oh God, no.
Stop.
Living room?
Chop. Another bear flag forming? Kinda. We tried to blaze that earlier. Just got kind of stuck there. So maybe a little bit more of a pushback up here, but. They don't want it back below the 340. You're gambling. I don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
You're like people. I'm a millionaire. This is the fact. Right? You can meet me. You can talk all the shit you want. They don't change the fact that I'm a millionaire. You're some fucking. Don't ever forget that.
Starting a business is gambling. Risking money is gambling. You can name whatever the fuck you want to name. Everything's a gamble, bro. Bro, I was on the highway driving up here with an accident. You think that guy wasn't gambling driving up? I mean, it's a gamble when you get everything's a gamble.
Sorry. Alright, kids can't do damn shit. That's how they stay in my face, sneezing and coughing and shit on me.
Yeah.
Money's here, though. Oh shit. He late, but he here.
Jacksonville, Florida. What's that your place?
That's it.
No tax on food.
You want to be able to win a program or not? Are you coachable?
It's us. It's fuck. Is it us for every day?
Right. Do we take this rare? Are we taking this? That's that, right? Am I tweaking? Yeah, that shit just high.
Well, obviously, are we gonna take them to the emergency room? But it's like for what? For them to just.
They're not gonna deal it. Yeah, they can't do shit for them with that. Yeah, that's the area right there. It just this has more touches.
She said, "What's my favorite Bath and Body Works scent?" Your mom. But
Talking about bet.
It's like saying, man, if Tom Brady never played in the NFL, he would never be the greatest quarterback ever. You know, hey, you know, if fucking money, if he got picked up by fucking something TV, so whatever.
so, or if you sense, now you talking my language. I want to try that snowflake and cashmere.
Donald Trump is somebody because he's the president.
She said they may have the flu because she think Lexi had the flu.
They gonna do nothing for the flu.
She said they'll give him antibiotics so he can feel better.
What, children motion? Shit you could do for it.
Billionaire sells fucking skins. Came out with a sex scheme. Right. And now the billionaire sells fucking skins. Kardashian, she's never had TV show. That's the point. Nobody would care about anybody if it was
For anything.
the NFL didn't exist. Nobody would give a fuck about football.
Yeah.
Right? Oh, if there was no sports betting, nobody would bet on sports. If nobody owned a car, then nobody would want to own a McLaren. If human beings can just disappear and fucking reappear, then you know your Ferrari would be worthless, Patrick. You'd have your Ferrari would be worth no nothing.
You can't. Ferrari will go fast because it's gas.
You have a Ferrari because you have a YouTube.
Yeah. Just doing that.
Get back to about 400.
The old 10:30 turnaround.
I haven't really did too much of nothing. This is that area right here that I was looking at. The other chart. You know what I'm saying? This was on the 1 minute. So it definitely looked like something there. That's what I was saying with these lower highs. But all right, chat. That's it for us for the week, man. One and done. Sure. One and done.
Don't even look at it.
One and done.
He got great charts now. He was up with great charts. Yeah. Fucking A, that thing's big.
Yep, chat. GG's. See y'all boy in that week. Yep.